left hand, make a fist. That's it, Matthew. Everybody chamber. So Yoshi, chamber. Everyone say chamber.
Chamber.
Very nice, Knox. Very nice, Camilla. Very nice, Connie. One, middle punch. Good, Sophie. Very nice, Ezra. Pull back. Eyes on the teacher, Yoshi, pull back. So Zachary, look at me, Zachary. Look at me. Pull your hand back, Zachary. Look at me. You can't do this looking behind you. 2, good punch, Zachary. Pull back. Very nice, Matthew. 3, all the way up. Good, Isaiah. Pull back. Okay, Caden, look at me, Caden. Get ready now. 4, shout! That's it, Caden. That's it, Yoshi. Zachary, look at me, Zachary. Pull back. Other hand up. There we go. Pull back, Yoshi. Hand out, Zachary. One hand out, one hand chamber, Zachary. Here we go. Caden, one arm bent. Bend the arm, Caden. One hand punches, one hand pulls back. Matthew, punch. Punch, Matthew. Other hand, Matthew. There. No, look, no, don't do that, Colin. Don't do that. Pull back. Here we go. 2. Very nice, Sophie. Very nice, Matthew. Other hand, Zachary. Punch. Pull back. 3. Good, Isaiah. Good, Knox. Pull back. Here we go, Yoshi. You ready? 4. Shot! Good one, Yoshi. Other hand, Zachary. Punch. Other hand, Ezra. Punch. Punch, Ezra. Now take this hand to the ear. That's it, Yoshi. That's it, Caden. 1. Low block. Good, Sophie. Matthew. This hand, Matthew. Not that hand, Matthew. To the ear. Other ear, Matthew. That's it, Matthew. 2. Good, Connor. Back on the ear. 3. Good, Isaiah. Don't do that, Zachary. That's not what we're doing. That's not what we're doing. Look at me. Do as I do, please. One hand. Not that hand, Zachary. You did it right, Zachary.